Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I want to show you what we got here. We got this tablet, Samsung Galaxy tablet S9 FE tablet with X Pen, 120GB storage, long-lasting battery. Its vibrant design helping you to explore creative possibility and entertainment. Big screen for viewing, creating and sharing. And this tablet comes in gray color, mint, silver or lavender to match your unique vibe. Creative power with S Pen. You can draw, sketch and annotate freely using redesigned water resistance X Pen. And also you have option for expansive bright view even in outdoor environment. Vision booster lets you see your tablet spacious screen clearly in bright lit area. Go between the studio and patio with ease, with contrast and color enhancement to keep things always vibrant. Super smooth, comfortable viewing, adaptive refresh rate. Creativity on your move with robust battery, full metal frame, IP68 rating, water and dust resistance for tough condition on the go. The size of 12.4 inch or 10.9 inch with iconic 4 colors, enhanced outdoor viewing. We're going to check this and see what is inside. Galaxy tablet S9 FE. And see, very light. I like the color silver. See what it looks like. This is the pen, S Pen. This is the cable, C cable for charging. Information pack with the pin. Information pack. So this is what we have here. So this Samsung tablet, you need to find adapter to charge this up. You connect it to C cable. So this end goes here, and you connect this end, goes in here, then connect it to the socket, and you can see it's showing us a white light to show you that it's charging. Switch it on and off from this button here. Samsung Galaxy, secure by Knox, Android. I like the size and the color. You see the camera. So welcome. So you just need to wait to select the language. So you select English, scroll down and select your language. Select next. Select your country, select restart. Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy secure by Knox. Now agree to terms and condition. Then you select next. Easy setup with another device. Set up manually. Now it's checking the Wi-Fi network. So now it picked up the available Wi-Fi network. Select the Wi-Fi network to continue. Then you put information that you require to connect to the network. Once you put the information, then you select connect. Getting your tablet ready. This takes a few minutes. And you can see the battery level is 59%. Copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google accounts, and more. I'm going to select Don't Copy. Checking information. You can sign into your Google account or skip. So I'm going to skip. Skip. Then select accept. Choose your search engine. Then select next. Select a search engine. So you have option for you to select Google, Yahoo, Microsoft Bing. So Google. So you tap on the search engine that you selected. Then select next. Set as default. Protect your tablet. So you have option for you to select face recognition, fingerprints, PIN, password, and pattern. So I'm going to skip. Skip anywhere. Getting your tablet ready. One account, any device, just sign in. So you can use email or phone number, or don't have an account. You can select don't have an account, for instance. Set up letter in setting, then select OK. Set up letter in setting. Samsung account, then you select skip, for instance. Terms and condition. Then select next. Samsung service. Select agree. Choose your display. So you have light and dark. So I'm going to select dark. This is how it looks when you select dark display mode. And this is light. This is how this tablet look when you select light display mode. So I'm going to leave it in light display mode, then select next. Please wait. You are all set. Then select finish. You can see what it looks like. Here we go. Now this tablet, in terms of the features, so you have gallery, clock, game hub, store, Play Store, Google, and also the camera. So you have Samsung here. So from Samsung you have Galaxy Shop, voice record, contact, smart things, flow, pen up, AI zone, members, tips, TV, health, messages, and smart switch. So you have Google here. From Google, you have Google Chrome, Gmail, email. You have Google Chrome, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Drive, Google TV, Meet, and Photo. So this is the setup for this tablet. It deserves your attention. And yeah, this is the camera here. You can see the camera, what it looks like. Very clear, smooth. You can take photo, video, and more, and portrait. And this is the camera here. You see. This tablet is superb. So this is the video. Then for you to start recording, this is video and portrait. So you can select portrait, then go back. This is the tablet, what it looks like. And also you have Shopify, Samsung Free, Global Goals, Kits, Camera, Gallery, Calculator, Calendar, Clock, Note, My Files, Phone, Messages, Internet, Game Hub. So these are features. This tablet deserves your attention. Highly recommended. This is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. Thank you.